You know, filming yourself can be a real hassle sometimes, but it doesn't have to be. Hey there everyone, I'm Jack, and in this video we're going to be checking out Insta360's latest and greatest accessory for the Go 3 and Go 3S. And although this accessory isn't much larger than a coin, it promises to make shooting with your Go 3 and Go 3S easier than ever before. Let's check it out. So what you're looking at is the all-new Pocket Flexi Mount, and even though it is absolutely tiny, it has an impressive range of features to make your life a lot easier. On the outside, it boasts two magnets. On the side with the logo is a magnet for mounting your camera. This magnet allows for 360-degree mounting, making it super easy for Go 3S users to decide between vertical and horizontal shooting modes. On the other side is a magnet meant for mounting to any magnetic surface. Make sure this surface isn't subjected to harsh vibration though, since the camera might fall off. The hinge in the middle allows the mount to fold down, making it small enough to fit in your pocket, as well as making it easy breezy to adjust the camera to whatever angle you want. Flipping the mount inside out reveals a sticky pad, making it super simple to mount your camera to non-magnetic surfaces as well. Just make sure that these surfaces are dry and relatively flat. So those are the features of the all-new Pocket Flexi Mount. Now I'm going to show you a few ways in which I've used this mount to film myself, and after that, it's up to you to bring on the creativity for this mount. Let's go. I mean, come on, how good are magnets? Now remember, as you're fine-tuning your camera and your camera angle, you can simply use the action pod and check your framing before you start shooting. After all, no one likes to fix it in post. Post? Get it? As we're driving to our next destination, I just wanted to show you the setup that I've got going in the car here. As I'm driving, I really like to use the time shift mode. Time shift being Insta360's stabilized hyperlapse mode. And for that today, I'm using the Pocket Flexi Mount's sticky pad to stick it to the inside of the car window. And then I'm using the Go 3S with an ND32 on it. It's super bright out today, so I really want to cut out the light, slow down my shutter speed, and get some nice motion blur happening. As a photographer, sometimes I like to get some behind the scenes shots when shooting beautiful landscapes like this. Now the Pocket Flexi Mount has really simplified that process. It's small, lightweight, and can be taken on and off of the camera in a jiffy. All I do is I take the sticky pad and I stick it to the flat part of my camera right in front of the hot shoe. I then take my Go 3, Go 3S, and aim it right down the barrel of the lens. The resulting video is a short clip that I can upload straight to my socials, and all it does is it helps reiterate the story I was trying to tell with my still image. As for settings, if I'm using my Go 3, I actually stick it into free frame mode and sacrifice a tiny bit of that resolution for perfect horizon lock. This means that no matter if I'm shooting landscape or portrait mode, the aspect ratio sticks with me. If I'm using my Go 3S, I simply max out the settings. I go for 4K, maximum stabilization so that my motions stay smooth, and I also enable tilt fix mode just so that if I'm slightly off, it will fix the angle for me. Now before I let you go, I just want to show you one more way in which I've used the new Pocket Flexi Mount. But for that, I'm going to need an instrument. Because as it turns out, the Pocket Flexi Mount is perfect to attach to your guitar. Alright everyone, that's it for today. I hope you've enjoyed seeing just some of the ways in which you can use the new Pocket Flexi Mount. However, imagination has got no limits, so now it's up to you. Remember to stay creative and stay flexy. Till next time. Oh, wait, I'm still connected to my amp. Haha.